Welcome back, everyone. Today, I am taking you into a world of luxury Christmas decoration, warm golden lights, shimmering ornaments, and heart-touching stories that remind us what Christmas truly means. So, sit back, relax, and let the magic unfold. When we think of luxury decor, we imagine soft gold, deep reds, elegant whites, and touches of sparkling crystal. Luxury does not always mean expensive. It means choosing pieces that tell a story, that feel meaningful, and that bring warmth into your home. Start your decor with a tall centerpiece Christmas tree, wrap in warm golden felt lights, elegant ornaments, pearl glass balls, golden ribbon, a velvet tree skirt to complete the richness, crystal candle holder, metallic garland, and soft glowing lantern. Every piece add a sense of celebration like your home is whispering, Welcome to Christmas. This year I want to share a story that begins with a girl named Elsa who loved Christmas more than anything in the world. But Elsa's family did not have much money for decoration. Every year their tree was small, simple, and quiet. But Elsa believed that Christmas was not about how big your tree was, it was about love, kindness, and light. One cold evening, she found a teeny golden ornament in a thrift shop. It was old, scratched, but something it felt magical. She bought it with the new coins she had. She don't know it yet, but these ornaments would change everything. Let's continue decorating to create a luxury feeling. Use monochrome color palettes, gold, white, silver, blue, or champagne, rose gold, and laid texture, velvet, ribbon, lace, metallic leaves. Place tall vase filled with winter branches, spread with gold, hang oversized ornament to create a garland elegant feel. Add soft music, candle, and warm lighting to create atmosphere and depth. Luxury is created by detail, and detail created magic. On Christmas, Elsa hung the gold ornaments on her little tree. As the light reflected off its surface, her home suddenly felt different, warm, beautiful life. The neighbors passing by noticed the glow coming from her window. One by one, they came forward with small decoration of their own, a golden ribbon, a handmade star, a teeny streak of fairy lights. By nightfall, the small, simple tree had become the most beautiful and luxurious tree in the entire village. But not because of money, it was beautiful because it was decorated with love, with community, and with kindness. To elevate your decor, place statement piece like gold, hinge or crystal centerpiece on your table. Add mirror tray, candles to reflect light beautifully. Use snow-like fabric or fox so to add luxury softness. Decorate your staircase with garland bows and bomb twinkling lights. Add a luxury wreath with pine cones, pearl, and metallic leaves. These small touches make your home look like luxury Christmas photoshoot. Back in Elsa's home, she looked at her tree and smiled because what started with one simple golden ornament had turned into a tree filled with memories, friendship, and light. Christmas became magical not because everything was perfect, but because everyone came together, and that's the magic of today. Luxury is not about money, luxury is about feeling rich. Rich is love in moment, in togetherness. May your home shine with warm joy and beautiful decoration this Christmas. There's lots of and beautiful, more amazing decoration ideas and design. You can decorate your living room, you can decorate your kitchen, your lounge, your backyard. These ornaments and designs make your home beautiful, cozy, magical. Snow effect is give a magical and amazing display on your decoration. We hope you like the video and heart-touching story of Elsa. You can also apply these ideas and design on your upcoming Christmas event and make your event memorable. If you are new our channel, so please must visit our channel. There is lots of and beautiful design and ideas about Christmas, holidays, and New Year. You can change your home into as per your event. If you like the video, so must share this video with your friends and your family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your thoughts. And once again, thanks for your lovely support. Keep watching my channel, keep supporting, and share your precious comments. We will upload our next video according to your imagination, your suggestions. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead. Thanks for lovely support. God bless you all. Remember me in your prayers.